Hey guys, in this video, I will tell you about the controls for 99 Nights in the Forest. All right, let's begin. To move your character, use the WASD keys. W moves forward, A moves left, S moves backward, and D moves right. Hold left shift to sprint and press space to jump. Use left click to swing your axe or fire your weapon, and press R to reload. You can click and drag with your mouse to move items. When holding a flashlight, left click toggles it on or off. To control your camera, hold right click and move your mouse. Higher sensitivity or DPI increases camera speed. At the bottom of the screen, your hotbar displays numbered items. Press the corresponding number key to select an item. Press the same number again, or backspace to unequip it. Press E to interact with objects like chests or crafting tables. Use F with your sack to store or drop items. Open your backpack with the tilde key and press M to view the map. To eat, hover over food and press E. So that's basically all about the controls for 99 Nights in the Forest. That's it for this video. Thanks.